I want to say that we are just beginning a journey to have UDA being a bigger family in this country. You all know that I was a member of ANC, and I want also to thank my former party leader, Honorable Musalia, for mentoring me. He gave me a platform, he gave me a position to play in his party, in which my current team identified me, requested to have the services of my talent in this very party. I want to say that UDA is going to be the biggest party since independence, because we have sat down with the party leader and the leaders of this party and agreed that we are going to open up doors for people to come and join our party. We are not going to be hostile to people even who think otherwise about us. This is going to be a party that is going to accommodate all views that are going to build this country. As I take up this opportunity to be the Secretary General, I am alive of the fact that as a government, we have an agenda that we promise the people of Kenya. My role and the officials of this party will be to ensure that we monitor the progress of the promises we promised the people while we were campaigning. We shall be monitoring the legislative promises that we had made during campaigns. We shall work closely with the leadership of the legislative arm. We shall also be monitoring the cabinet secretaries, the permanent the PSs, the CSs, and any government official. It will be our sole role to ensure that the promises we made during campaigns are achieved, because we are the people who are going to be politically accountable when it comes to the elections of 2027. So we shall not only be concentrating on political matters, but also on the delivery of these governments. We must deliver. We promised Kenyans that we are going to lower the cost of living, and that is exactly what the party will be reminding those office holders in the executive and in the legislative arm.